Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would be sharing with you some of my picks from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. So Nykaa had a huge sale from 23rd to 27th of July, and there were n number of brands which were offering a lot of discounts and a lot of offers. I personally did not buy a lot of stuff because there was so many products on discount that I got overwhelmed and I wasn't actually able to decide which one to buy and which one not to buy, and due to that I waited till 27th, which was the last date of the sale, to place my order, and most of the products that I added to my cart were already out of stock. So the biggest thing that was on sale was the two Huda Beauty palettes which were on 35% discount, but I already had the Rose Gold Remastered palette and I did not want any other palettes, so I didn't get the Huda Beauty palettes. The palette that I was eyeing the most in that sale was this Makeup Revolution palette. So Makeup Revolution was on a 20% discount. I had my eyes on this palette since a very long time. So I do have a lot of eyeshadow palettes and I certainly do not need more, but this is not a simple eyeshadow palette. It is all-in-one palette which contains all your blushes and the powders, lip products and everything. So let me open it. This is how the palette looks like. So as I said, these are the 4 blushes the palette offers. These are the bronzers and highlighters. And then we have a plastic shield. So these are the 16 shades of eyeshadows and these are the 8 lipsticks. So this palette is something that if you carry this palette with you, you would not need any other thing. I am not traveling anywhere in my near future, but as I was eyeing on this palette since a very long time, and I had a fear that it might go out of stock, which it now is out of stock. I just grabbed it on a 20% discount. So apart from that Makeup Revolution palette, I also went for this Beauty Co charcoal teeth whitening powder. I haven't tried any teeth whitening products, but I was really curious to try some of them, and this is what grabbed my attention. Now this product had an offer. There were like a free product with every Beauty Co order, so I got this glow mask with my order. So this is the Beauty Co product. This is the Beauty Co combo that I bought. I haven't tried this and I'm really curious to try this. I'll just insert a shot of how this looks. Another thing that I had my eyes on was this lash fixer from PAC Cosmetics. So I usually do not wear eyelashes. I do have a lot of eyelashes with me. I do have a lot of fake lashes with me, but I do not wear them because I do not have a glue for them. So I bought this lash fixer so that I can use my lashes. This is how the lash fixer looks. Now as they were, I really wanted to buy some of the Nykaa cosmetic products and a lot of the K-Beauty products, but again I said they were on a huge discount and I got overwhelmed and most of the products that I wanted went out of stock. I did not grab any of them. Now another brand that I always buy is MAC Cosmetics. I don't know, there is some connection with the brand that you can call it connection or you can call it addiction. I am not sure why this happens, why do I do it, but whenever Nykaa or any other website has some sort of sale or some sort of offer going on MAC Cosmetics, I always grab something or the other. Usually MAC Cosmetics provide a free lipstick with their products, and this time there was an offer that if you buy products worth more than 3,500 rupees, you can select either a lipstick of your choice or a blush. So I wasn't able to resist myself again and I placed an order for 2 lipsticks and I got this Extra Dimension blush free of course. So I'll just show you the blush first. I do have a lot of MAC Cosmetics product, but I usually try the lipsticks. I haven't tried any of their blushes or for that matter any of their foundations. So this is my first time trying a blush. This is how the blush looks like. Can't wait to try that. Also MAC Cosmetics had an offer that with every MAC Cosmetics you'll get a tiny little 2.5 ml prep and prime, and this is how it came. It's cute, but I guess it would last me just for 1 or 2 uses. So now coming to the actual products that I bought from MAC Cosmetics. So MAC recently launched their powder liquid lipsticks, and I already have one shade from the collection, but I wanted to try more. So I bought this beautiful looking red shade. The shade is called MAC Smash, and this is how it looks. The thing I like most about these powder lipsticks is their wand. It's not a usual wand, it has some curves to it. Swatching the formula, it is a beautiful subtle sort of a red. Formula is really creamy and it dries powder matte, and it is transfer proof. As I said, I already have a shade from this. I love the formula and I knew that I would love to have more, so I bought this MAC Smash shade from MAC's new Powder Kiss liquid lipstick collection. Apart from this, I also bought a regular powder lipstick. This was also launched like a few months back, I guess, and the packaging is like a regular MAC lipstick, but it is matte and it feels like very powdery. I don't know. The shade I have is called P for Potent, and it is a beautiful vampy shade, I would say. I usually do not use such shades, but because this is a powder formula, it is not as intense. This is how the shade looks like. I'm really happy with my purchases this time. Actually, I'm really happy with all of my MAC purchases. But I'm glad that I was able to grab this free blush this time. So now these are all the products that I bought from Nykaa. But while I was surfing Nykaa's website, I was really eyeing on another Makeup Revolution palette that was again on a 20% discount. But unfortunately, it went out of stock. I wanted the palette so badly that I started searching other websites, and thankfully I did that. I came across the palette on Myntra, and surprisingly it was on a 40% discount. This is the palette I'm talking about. This is Makeup Revolution Tummy X Tropical Carnival Eyeshadow Palette. The retail price of this palette is 1950 rupees, and I bought it on a 40% discount from Myntra. By the way, sorry, I did not mention the prices of all the other products I bought. So I would be linking down the original prices and the sale prices in the description down below. So this is how the palette looks like. It comes with a full-size mirror, which I would hide for the camera. And it also has like a plastic sheet with all the names of the eyeshadows. When you remove this, this is how the palette looks like. I'll just grab it. This is how the palette looks like. The colors are vibrant. It contains both matte and shimmery shades, and all of them are really vibrant. I'm glad that I checked Myntra's website and bought this beauty on a better deal. So as Myntra was having a 40% discount on Makeup Revolution, I searched for a few more of their products, and I came across these highlighters. This is the first time I was seeing these highlighters. I have never seen them before, and the packaging and everything attracted me, and I bought all the shades, all the 3 shades that were available. Originally, I am not sure how much they cost, but I bought them for around 523 or something. So the 3 shades I have is called Ruby Crush. This is Iced Diamond, and the third one is called Rose Quartz. I am someone who's easily attracted towards good packaged products, and this is certainly one of the best I have seen so far. So this is how the highlighters look. It is a decently good size, and the product quantity is 13.6 grams. This is how the highlighter looks like. I love how I love the shape of this, and it's, let me swatch, let me try. Oh, it's pigmented actually. Okay, it's a very subtle thing. I'm not sure whether the camera can pick up the highlight or not, but it's beautiful, and I'm really excited to use them. So that's it for my haul. I am glad that I searched for other websites apart from Nykaa. Nykaa does have some great deals, but sometimes there are other websites that might have some better deals. For example, I got a better deal on Myntra. So next time, whenever I want something which is not Nykaa exclusive, I would definitely be searching from other websites as well. So that's it for today's video. If you like watching such videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.